Concerns about the coronavirus have local schools preparing for a possible outbreak. Western Mass News reporter Sabrina Riley talked to the superintendent of Agawam Public Schools to get the answers on what they are doing to plan ahead.
I think now it's time to be overcautious, and I'm washing my hands constantly now.
With the threat of coronavirus growing, Agawam Public School Superintendent Steve Lemansky believes now is the time to prepare. That's why on Thursday he met with city leaders to form a plan.
Next steps are a letter going home to parents today.
In that letter, the school district is advising parents to educate children on the virus, practice good hygiene, and keep them home if they are sick.
It's about education and prevention, and I think that's our best defense against the coronavirus.
Lemansky says they are working with principals and teachers on how to spot the signs of coronavirus, including checking the travel history of students.
We're just coming off our winter break, so I think we're dealing with a little bit of that, who's gone away, and not that we've identified anyone at this time, but of course that's a concern. And
all of this while custodians work to keep the school properly sanitized.
It's always a busy year for sanitation anyway. I know that, we've been dealing with the flu, and so our custodians have been taking extra care, but now we're taking extra care.
After the Prime Minister of Japan canceled schools countrywide for the next month, Western Mass News wanted to know if a similar action would be taken if the outbreak hits our area.
That's something we would discuss. I think that's something that comes out of the health departments, who get their guidance from CDC, who get their guidance from governors and the president. And should we reach a level that gets to that, that would be a real disaster, I think, for us, because our schools are a lot for our kids. In some cases we're feeding them breakfast and lunch, and it's a place that's warm. It's absolutely a place they're getting their education.
That's why Superintendent Lemansky tells Western Mass News that canceling school will be a last resort.
You have to be ahead of things, but it really is day by day and seeing how things are going.
In Agawam, Sabrina Riley, Western Mass News.